is falling through the night. You pull me closer to the light. City shadows softly glow. Hearts are dancing nice and slow. Colors shining on the street. Every step becomes a beat. Holding tightly to your hand, lost inside this midnight land.
When you smile, the thunder fades. Lightning paints a silver shades. Laughing while the storm rolls by. Stars are hiding in the sky.
Let the whole world talk away. Tonight is ours and here to stay. Only us beneath the skies. I can see love in your eyes. Let us dance here in the rain. Wash away the hurt and pain. You and I till morning light, lost together in the night. Let us dance beneath the storm, holding every heartbeat warm. Raindrops falling endlessly, but your love is all I see. Wind is singing through the town. You keep spinning my world round. Your dress moving smooth and slow, like a fire in the cold.
People pass and fade away. Still together we will stay. In this velvet midnight blue, all this world belongs to you.
Let the thunder shake the sky. Still our love will never die, like a secret born tonight, burning softly in the light. Let us dance here in the rain. Wash away the hurt and pain. You and I till morning light, lost together in the night. Let us dance beneath the storm, holding every heartbeat warm. Raindrops falling endlessly, but your love is all I see. If the world stopped turning now, I would still hold you somehow. Through the storms and through the dark, you will always have my heart. Let us dance here in the rain, like a never-ending flame. No more fear and no disguise. It's only love beneath the skies. Let us dance till night is gone, till we see the coming dawn. Raindrops falling endlessly, you forever next to me. Rain is falling soft and low, still your shadow gently glows. And somewhere down these empty roads,